Can we do it then?
A drone flight may look effortless in the air, but behind every smooth mission, one factor is always being monitored carefully: the weather. Because weather doesn't just affect visibility, it affects stability, safety, battery performance, and data accuracy. Strong winds can impact flight balance, especially during long-range or precision operations. Even a stable drone needs controlled conditions to maintain smooth movement and consistent data capture. Rain is another challenge. Moisture can affect sensors, cameras, and electronic systems, which is why drone teams carefully assess conditions before deployment. High temperatures also play a role, especially in Indian environments. Excessive heat can influence battery efficiency and overall flight duration during operations. Fog or low visibility can reduce aerial clarity, making inspections, mapping, or monitoring more difficult. That's why professional drone operations begin long before takeoff. Teams study weather forecasts, evaluate wind conditions, check visibility, and plan flight timings accordingly. Sometimes missions are delayed, adjusted, or rescheduled to ensure safer operations. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace follow structured planning and operational checks to manage weather-related challenges during drone missions. Because successful drone operations are not just about flying in the sky, they're about understanding the environment before every flight begins.